Because people do, and I haven't been here in a couple of years, so I can spend a fair amount of time out here.
Oh, this is awesome. Desert Valley Auto Parts in North Phoenix. It's not your typical junkyard because it's got older stuff. There's a Nova. Chrysler 300 here, a Studebaker pickup, Oldsmobile.
But it's not,
There's a 57.
You know, the letter car.
There's a Cadillac convertible with sheepskin seat covers that look like they've seen better days. Look at the fins on that baby. This is a 64.
I believe it is, yeah. 64.
This is a Crown Coupe.
You can see the push buttons for the transmission.
Imperial. And my favorite part is the trees down here. Yeah, that new car scent wore off a long time ago. Look at the seat, it's ragged.
Bucket seats.
Bucket seats. The dash, it's all warped. There's your door handle. This is too cool. And we haven't even gotten in the yard yet.
We have not gotten in the yard yet.
I might just hang out here for the day.
This section here is just kind of a hodgepodge. I think this is probably all stuff that just came in that they haven't put in the back yet. So it's a good idea to pay attention because it's stuff that's not picked over yet.
Right. All right, we just paid our $2 admission. We're in DVAP. This place was on TV in 2011 on Discovery Channel, and I noticed there are two yards, Dane. This one's 1960s and later, and there's another one in Casa Grande that's 1950 and prior, or
okay,
something like that. And
so all the Fords are over here. You've got, yeah.
It's complete.
Air up the tire and
oh,
drive
it's
it
good
home.
to go. Look how they stack them a little bit precariously
It
sometimes.
seems like, but look at this.
I think we need to take this Continental home. We're checking out some big body Chrysler products. Fancy pants stuff. I see the word Imperial over there on that blue one.
This one is another
Yep.
Crown Coupe.
What was it that used to be?
Chrysler Town and Country station wagon. Is it?
Yeah. 66 station wagon.
Buying a frickin' New Yorker and they can't order power lock.
No power locks on it? What? We got a key in this one. Yep. Fire it up.
T4 Dodge.
There's a Cordoba. I'll just go sit in there. 62 Chrysler New Yorker. My favorite thing so far is these offset headlamps, but Dane just showed me the instrument cluster, and what in the world is that? A big old dome.
It's a dome, so you've got your gauges there, and then your speedometer
It's way around the back.
goes like that. But the lighting is the, and then you have like, there's your dome light switch, and power antenna and map light and whatever.
What is this?
61 Chrysler New Yorker. And
Red interior.
that white with the red interior. This was a pretty car in its day. But Pontiac, Oldsmobile, Buick, so they're actually going in order of
Hierarchy,
price class.
kind of, yeah. Found me a Nova. The heartbeat of America. This is a 67.
67.
It says the right side passenger mirror is quite rare. Oh yeah, I see the similarity.
Coming to the point with the chrome.
And that crest, or whatever, 3 of them.
Why have one when you can have 3?
Yeah, so we're in Delilah's car right now. She had this thing registered.
Delilah was a floozy.
Yeah, 67 Chrysler was with Progressive in September of 04. Look at that.
Okay, Rod's carburetor. Somebody didn't know what they were talking about.
She got service in 2010.
Okay.
Aired up tires, flat on one side, switch for ignition. Oh, Delilah paid for that. And the carburetor repair kit.
Yeah, well, they've got carburetor work going on here, but the notes are, so they have single unit Hemi 400, then the 400 is crossed out, and they have 413. Well, wrong.
But look at how, were you supposed to type your history right there? What is this placard?
I think they would write on it.
So power windows in this one and the right mirror.
Windows and a power driver's seat, 6-way power driver's seat. Their design.
We found us the Cadillac. Big old beastly Cadillacs. You got it? This one has it?
What? And then in your Acura?
I was gonna say, that's substantial. What would this displacement have been?
500 cubic inches.
Yeah.
So 8.2 liters. Behind it was the top of the line. The country sedan was the next step down.
That dashboard's seen better days.
Yes.
Kind of a cool wraparound driver-centric
it
dash.
is. And you see where the radio is?
Yeah.
Which?
Oh, way over here.
Yeah. Yeah. So the
Passenger,
ain't
good
touching
luck.
the radio.
Yeah, keep your mitts off it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a Galaxy 500.
Yeah. So it was the
Country
midline.
sedan.
So your base model was a, what do they call it? Country sedan. Anyway, so it was.
Here's the customer lounge at Desert Valley. Look, free popcorn.